Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Today we will unbox the Anker's Power Drive 2 Plus and Anker data cable and charging cable, power line plus micro USB, and premium 3-foot USB cable with lightning connector. It is the data cable for the iPhone and data cable and charging cable for iPhone, but it is a simple. And this is the power line plus. This is a special edition, and this is a simple. And both are the durables and very strong cables, but I will prefer it. I think it is more better than this simple cable. Okay, but the power line plus cable is available for Android as well as for the Apple cable too. But today I have bought it for USB Android cable, power line plus, and I bought it from you can see that I bought it from the Larab, www.larab.com. This is online store, that is the official store of Anker in Pakistan, online official store of Anker in Pakistan, and it has a very good reputation. So first I unbox this Anker power line plus power drive plus 2 with quick charger 3 USB car charger, and this is with the column com 3 quick charger 3. Okay, it simultaneously charge 2 device. Okay, now we will unbox it. Bismillah. This is actually the welcome guide, and there is instructions about this car charger. And open it, this, and after that we will test it in car. And this is actually the Anker power drive plus. This is Anker name, and this is a very heavy good charger. This is IQ port, and this is quick charge port 3. We will test it in our car, and this fit very good fit in the car slot, cigarette lighter slot. Very good quality, very heavy, and I love it. This contains this box contains this charger and this, and this has simultaneously two charger devices. If we check it, this you can see that both 1 and 2. Okay, now we will unbox this. I love this power line plus edition of this data cable and charging cable, two in one. Okay, and this is for the code. Beautiful leather wallet with this cable, and this is like this, and very fine. Okay, and third is unboxing Anker Pakistan official warranty product, and these all product come. This is the code for the scanning original, and it is mentioned at every product of the Ankers. And this comes with 2 years warranty. And this is a very simple, like this is lightning cable, USB lightning cable. This is USB port and this is the lightning port, iPhone. Okay. Very good qualities. All are the all things, all product of Ankers are very trustable and excellent. Have excellent. We test it in the car. Okay. पास कर कार चार्जर को जो है कार में टेस्ट करते हैं. ठीक है. Now we test it in my car. Okay. Red light will be turned on. You can see that red light will be on when and it will be, there will be no fluctuation. कोई इसमें losing नहीं है. There will be no losing, so it will be fixed in your car. Cigarette lighter port, so there will be no losing, and this will be covered like this. Okay. When this will be switched on, this light will be on. Note, we'll check it on the, this is the cable of Anker. Okay, so if this is fast charging, okay, sorry, like this. If okay, we check it. This, okay.
Yeah.
And if I check that if I again check from ampere, okay, good. That is maximum fast, giving the fast charging. Okay. So if we put it on the other, and again apply measurement. That is also at 1200. Okay, that is both ports are giving the same. Okay, if I check it on the this another app, good. If I apply on again, so okay, that's mean that is. And I think Anker is the name of the trust and good brand, and hopefully you will like it. And the best thing is that there is no losing, and so that is totally safe for your mobile charging. So because there is no distortion or losing, that's why I love that. So I think now I should turn off my car, and okay, best of luck.